there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a strawberry cow. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker to draw the strawberry cow. I'm starting with its horn. Now let's draw its face. This is its big nose. Here's its ears. These are two tiny eyes. This is his tiny tail. Now let's draw his legs. Now let's draw its legs. The cow is holding a big strawberry. My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using my pink highlighter pen. And now I will be using my green highlighter pen. This time I'm using gray pen. It's looking amazing. And finally I'm using my red highlighter pen. Perfect! Thank you so much for watching!